This video is about how to cut and paste text anywhere on iPhone. Basically, most of the new iPhone users a little bit struggling for cut and paste work on iPhone. And I bet after watching this video you feels very relaxing when you try to cut and paste on iPhone. Okay, let's do this. If you want to cut this number 17 means, just tap on this empty space near 17. Then you will see keypad and again tap on the empty space. Then you will see these options. Click select. Then touch and drag like this. After selected that, click cut. For example, if you want to paste here means, just tap on this empty space. Then you will see these options. Click paste. Yeah, that's it. You successfully cut and paste the text on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.